안녕! Today we're making Tuna Mayo 주먹밥, Tuna Mayo rice balls. These rice balls are great as a snack, a lunchbox item, or as the perfect side for instant noodles. They're savory, creamy, and just a little sweet, and super duper easy to make with only a few ingredients. In this video, I'll show you 3 different ways to shape and finish these rice balls, so you can choose whichever style works best for you. Let's get started. Start with a bowl of cooked rice, about 200 grams or 7 ounces. While the rice is still warm, mix in a pinch of salt, half a tablespoon of olive oil or sesame oil, and some sesame seeds. This gives the rice a light seasoning and a nutty aroma. When mixing, try to use the edge of a spoon instead of the palm so you don't mash the rice. Let it cool slightly before shaping. It'll hold together more easily. For the filling, use a can of tuna in oil. Drain the oil, then mix the tuna with half a tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. It's creamy, lightly sweet, and balances really well with the seasoned rice. From 1 bowl of rice and 1 can of tuna, you'll get about 4 large or 8 small rice balls. In this video, I used 2 bowls of rice so I could show you all 3 finishing styles. For the first version, we're going to coat the rice balls with crushed seaweed flakes. Use salted seaweed snacks, about 10 sheets for 2 large rice balls. Put them in a plastic bag, press the air out, and crush them with your hands. It's the cleanest and easiest way to make the flakes. Then spread them out on a flat plate. Once your rice is cool enough to handle, flatten a scoop in your palm, then flatten another scoop in the same way. Add a large spoonful of tuna mayo on one of the rice pieces and place the second rice scoop on top. Gently press it into a bowl or any shape you like. If any tuna peeks out, just patch it with a bit more rice. I'm making flat round shapes, big enough for about 3 to 4 bites. It may sound complicated, but it's not. Just 2 scoops of rice, each flattened, 1 big scoop of tuna mayo in the middle, then shape it together. Then gently press the finished rice balls into seaweed flakes to coat the outside. For this version, we'll toast the rice balls in a pan. Make the same shape as in option 1. Place them in a non-stick or coated pan without any oil and toast both sides until they form a light crust. Drizzle about 1/3 of a teaspoon of soy sauce on top. Flip and toast the soy sauce side for a minute or 2. This gives them a golden crust and a lightly smoky soy flavor. You don't need to cook them long, just long enough to brown the surface. If you want, you can season and toast the other side too. This version is the quickest and easiest, and it's perfect if you just want to use up everything. Mix together the rice, tuna mayo, and seaweed flakes in 1 bowl. Then shape them into bite-sized pieces. I'm making them about the size of a golf ball. It's fast, mess-free, and every bite is evenly seasoned. And that's it! Tuna Mayo 주먹밥, creamy savory rice balls that go perfectly with a bowl of ramen or something spicy like 불닭볶음면. They're simple to prep and easy to customize. All the ingredients and steps are listed in the description below, so check that out when you're ready to make them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.